Hello Aries, welcome back to Blossom Life Tarot. And today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of August 2021. We will see what energies the universe is sending towards you and which area of your life needs more attention in this month in comparison to other areas of your life. Okay. Today we have four cards right in front of us, and every card will represent every week of the month. So we'll have 4 weeks and four cards here representing them. So let's not, waste any more time and look at the cards and energies. What are you inviting from the universe, and what the universe is telling you? Okay. So the very first card is a very beautiful card for you. It's a very positive card, and when this card comes, I always think that universe is telling you that the thing, the purpose you're working towards, you need to be focused on that because you are actually moving into the right direction. So if it is a business project on which you were working on, if you were working on a relationship, a person who was there in your life and you really wanted that person to be there in your life, I think the decision of being with that person, or the decision of being in that relationship, or being in a particular assignment in your in your work area, is going to be very very fruitful for you. So till now you would have noticed that whatever time you have spent, whatever energies, investments you have done in that particular person or the project or job, it can be anything, you would have already seen things coming towards a positive direction, or you would have always received appreciation from your bosses, your friends, or maybe the spouse's family. Everyone would have appreciated you. So this is a very beautiful card. It is a fruitful card which gives you intimation and sign that you're moving in right direction. So first week is all about positivity. Now, when I say positivity, let us just quickly verify and clarify this energy. What is this all about? Like, is it actually uh, is a sign towards your personal life, or is it a sign towards your professional life? So let's quickly clarify this. And I think this actually is about overall life of yours, all the aspects of your life. Sense of satisfaction is something which is going to rule your cards this month, and you will be feeling very satisfied in the very 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 first month, very very first week of August. Okay, so a beautiful energy is waiting for you in August. So go grab it, make best out of it, and invest as much as you can in this positive energy, because positivity is actually going to give you an outcome in terms of positive energies only. Okay, moving ahead, what does the second week of August has got for you? Well, this week is going to give you quick starts, new starts. Now, if I actually relate these two cards, which is the first week and the second week of the month, when the first week is telling you you're moving into some direction, do you see these wands? They're just moving into some direction. Now, what is that direction? This direction is a new beginning. So, whatever you're working towards, it is going to give you something new. So, either the skills you have acquired till now in your workplace, that is going to give you very beneficial results in terms of either a new job promotion, a new designation, or uh, a new organization. Maybe you want to join a new organization. So trust me, you're well prepared to get into this. So it's a good start which is coming your way. Along with that, people who are watching this video for the relationship era, I think this month is going to give you a good new start. Now, for few people, this new start could be a new relationship also. Maybe you're moving from a very, very negative and toxic relationship towards a very positive relationship now. So that's something I really see in your cards, that positivity is going to surround you in the month of August, and that's very, very beautiful. I want to clarify this Ace of Wands, and when it talks about a new start, new beginning, let's see what kind of a beginning it is talking about, or is there a person the universe wants to be careful about? Okay, so this energy has a combination of beautiful, beautiful Eight of Cups. This card is very beautiful. Whenever Eight of Cups comes, it comes and talks about something established, left behind, moving towards to new achievements. So whatever you're leaving behind, you're not going to regret that, because whatever you're moving towards is going to give you so much better, then you will not even miss this. past. So, be it a relationship, be it your family life, your official life, your work life, it is going to give you beautiful results in the month of August. So don't look back. Universe will not give you a chance to look back here, because you're full of all positive energies, and this month is going to give you a lot of beautiful energies, positivity, very nice and calm environment. The only thing and advice what I have for you is, out of the cards, is that do not look back. So if you've left something behind, let that be your past only. Do not look back, because the minute you will look back, you will start creating comparison between your past and the future, or maybe the upcoming future, and that's when you will, be in a confused state, or confused state of mind. So that's something you'll have to avoid. So that's a sign and important advice I want to give you, that don't look back at your decisions. Once decision is taken, just move ahead with that. Okay, so that's another thing. Moving to the third week of August, oh my god, I think universe is actually showering love on you guys, Aries. This month is going to give you beautiful energies, new starts. And why do I really say that? I have two aces in the reading today, and this has never happened. At least for Aries, I can certainly say I've been doing it for 3 years now, and I think I've never seen this. So beautiful energy. Finances, if they were not well with you, well, something lucrative is coming your way, and you're gonna enjoy that completely, because this is a beautiful energy, and this new opportunity, this new financial opportunity, what you're getting in the month of August, Aries, this will not only stabilize your finances, your money matter, this will also bring some peace, greenery, that that beautiful energy and peace what you were missing in your life for some time. It will bring along with it. The financial opportunity is bringing peace in your life along with that. And what kind of a peace is that? Well, you were betrayed in relationship. At your workplace, there can be a person who used to act like your well-wisher. He was very near and dear one of yours. He was always used to think good about you. Well, that was your thinking about this person, but then he was never a friend to you. He always had some motives behind whatever he was doing, and he betrayed you or she betrayed you, and you felt like devastated. You were like broken all together. But you are meeting someone new also. So the memories of past, the memories of that bitter experience in life is going to go away, because you are moving away out of that person's thing. Now another advice which is coming from the cards is, and I would like to mention it, do not look back. Do not look back at the person that you want to take a revenge on them, or you will make them you will teach them a lesson, and then you will go back, you will do this, you will do that. Trust me, you yourself will disturb your peace of mind if you do that. So don't do that, avoid that, enjoy your life, okay, and make the best out of it, because there's a transition phase coming in your life. There is something which is getting over. A phase is going to get over very soon, Aries. So don't look back. Something is going to die to become or emerge as a new person. Have you heard the word reincarnation? Well, that's something which is happening in life. At times, to become a new person, to become a better person, you will have to kill that old soul of yours to become new and adopt new things. So that's what which is happening here with you, Aries. So do not look back. Every card I picked up, I always, and every time, every week, for every week's significances, I told you that please do not look back at your decisions, because you are moving on. There's a change of city, there's a change of place, there's a change of emotions. Change is coming in your life in August, but you will spoil it if you look back to your mistakes. You will try to correct them by going back into your past experiences, people from your past energies. You will spoil it all. So don't do that. Okay? This month is all about reincarnation, new developments, new opportunities, and with that new opportunity and ideas, Let's quickly pull a beautiful card for you, which is your love relationship card, and a message for you. How should you really manage your relationships in the month of August 2020, Aries? And let's get ahead quickly. And we have a card now. Time to make a demonstration of your ideas, Aries. What you've been thinking, uh, you know, a little bit of healthy flirting if you think that that makes you happy, or people whom you love saying I love you to them, or people who you really miss saying that you miss them. These are the ideas you'll have to pick up in this month. Okay, so this is what my suggestion is to you. So please do that. Be happy, be nice to people around you, be close to your family. That's the only advice I have for you. Thank you so much for liking Blossom Light Tarot. Thank you for being a part of Blossom Light Tarot family. My love and blessings is always there with you. Connect with me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube comments, or whatever is the best way you think that is. Reach me on 8448901791 for any kind of questions, queries, readings you want to book with me. I'll be happy to do that with you. Thank you. Bye bye.